Hi guys. Watch in this video. How to make Tony Stark Iron Man Audi R8 replica and fiberglass body kit car from Carbuck files. Need electronic drawings and paper printer or CNC laser machine. Then need to make Carbuck sections from wood board. After that, need to assemble the sections one after another to get a whole skeleton of the future car body. Then need to fill the space between the sections with foam or something else suitable. After drying, need to remove the excess foam that sticks out between the ribs of the sections. After that, need to cover the layout with putty in several layers. Then need to bring the surface of the layout to the ideal before working with fiberglass. After preparing the surface of the layout to the ideal, work with resin and glass fiber is carried out to make a finished fiberglass body, future kit car. As a result, many years ago me and my brother has our first Audi R8 fiberglass body that can be installed on a suitable donor car or on a frame. If you need digital Carbuck files, then
welcome.